Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 7th when I'm recording this. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Anyway, if you have any more questions or want to find any more information out about me and the Moxie Indicator, come over to profitpilot.com, or you can check out simplertrading.com/Moxie. All right, so what we have been seeing, let's get over to the SPY. And basically the pullback continues, but somewhere around here I'm looking for a bounce. You know, we've had 3 major down days, and let's look at the breadth real quick too. We can see that, you know, we've had right here a couple major down days, and then we finally had a bounce, but then it also got sold into on Friday. So that tells us the market is still very heavy. However, if we look at the number of stocks up versus number of stocks down, we definitely had some really heavy days, you know, last week. But since then, we've actually been doing okay. So right now we're more positive / neutral. And even today, we're still kind of neutral / positive. So we'll have to see how that works out for the overall market. And if we come over here and we look a little bit into this area, you know, I am kind of thinking that maybe around the hourly 200 and kind of this first major move below the 21, we should find some support. And I'm wondering if there's going to be just enough support to kind of take the market back up to, maybe the hourly 50, maybe just over the hourly 50. But then we're going to have the question of what happens after that, because, you know, this is the first pullback, this is the first move. And then we get the bounce, and really the question is, where do we go after the bounce? And that's some of the stuff that we'll be talking about in the Moxie room later, well, this week. I think we have a Q&A session today in the Simpler Essentials room. And then we can also look at some things like AI not working out. So we exited late last week, which is good because it's down pretty handily today. So happy to be out of that. You know, it was looking pretty interesting, but then we had to say, you know, what is different about this? And this is where the Moxie Indicator and the Moxie rules come into place, because you can see here that price was, you know, doing okay. It kept moving up. It was holding moving averages, all that kind of stuff. And so it was giving itself an opportunity. But then we noticed that there was a change. And that change was right here where price started to actually get rejected by the underside of a downtrending moving average. And notice how the Moxie Indicator now is different. It's different than back here in these couple of situations. So these are the things that I look at, and this is what I teach, and this is how I show the Moxie subscribers how to, you know, be in a good name, and then also how to get out of a name that's not going to be working out, because that was something that changed. There was difference there, and that was the clue that said, look, this isn't going to be working out to the upside. We need to get out. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you hang on to your positions out there and see what's working. The market is definitely in correction mode, so we just need to see, hey, what's working, what's not, and if not much is working, then sit on your hands and wait till better times. They will be there again. We just have to be patient. All right, thanks again. See you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.